Hello everyone, I hope everyone is doing well. Today I came up with another video on Android app project ideas, build real world Android apps. If you are new to the channel, please do subscribe, share and like my videos. If already a subscriber, please hit a like so that it motivates me to do more and more videos for you. Right, first one is speech to text and text to speech. It is a mini Android project. If you are a beginner, it is a good project for you. Okay. This Android project integrates voice input and audio output functionalities into a single application using Android Studio. It allows users to convert spoken words into text and read aloud written text using the device speaker, making it highly useful for accessibility, language learning and productivity applications. And use cases are accessibility tool for visually impaired users and voice commands in smart applications, and a note direction app for students and professionals, and language translation helper. Okay, if you are going to do this speech to text and text to speech Android project, it helps you in building another big projects like object detection for visually impaired people, because there you have to integrate the voice commands. You have to take input through the voice and give output through the text, right? So it will be a very good project if you want to uh, generate more and more big projects later. Okay, this is one of the best idea. Second Android app is text task reminder. Okay, task reminder app, it is also a good project. The task reminder app is a personal productive Android application that helps users schedule, manage and get notified about their tasks or events. It acts as a smart assistant, reminding users of their to-dos at the right time using the alarms and notifications. Okay, key features should be included are add task, create tasks with title, description and due time, set reminders, schedule custom reminders for each task, view upcoming tasks, see task in list or calendar format, push notifications, get notified when it is time for a task, mark as done, complete and archive task, delete and edit tasks, easy task management. It is also a good Android app project. It is mini project. Okay, if you are a beginner, these are the good apps to implement, right? Okay, you have to keep in mind about these key features. You have to include these features in your app while creating it. And real world applications are student scheduling assessments and exam reminders, and working professionals managing meetings and deadlines, homemakers organizing daily chores, and freelancers managing project timelines. Okay, these are the real world applications about the task reminder app, right? And third one is keep notes app. Okay, it I hope someone or every student might have this app in your phone. So if you are going to implement this app, you might use your own app in your phone, right? Okay, the Keep Notes app is a simple yet powerful Android application that allows users to write, save, update and delete notes. Inspired by apps like Google Keep, these projects help users manage ideas, to-do lists and quick thoughts on the go. And key features are create notes, add text-based notes instantly, and edit notes, update existing notes anytime, and delete notes, remove notes you no longer needed, and save automatically. Save notes are stored persistently, and search functionality, quickly find specific notes and optional, add colors to notes, reminders or images. Okay, so while creating the app, you must keep in your mind about these key features and you should include that in your app. Okay, while developing it. If you want any app development, please put it in comment section so that I will make a video how to implement a project, how to implement a Android project, right? Keep notes. Use cases are students for writing lecture notes or task lists, and professionals for meeting points and daily plans, and creatives for story ideas, thoughts and inspirations, and anyone needing a lightweight offline note taking app, right? So it is also very useful. And fourth one is scientific calculator. It is also very much easy project if you are a beginner. Okay, if you are beginner to the Android Studio, then you can implement this scientific calculator and you can use your own app in your phone. Okay, the scientific calculator app is a powerful Android application that performs both basic arithmetic operations and advanced scientific functions such as trigonometry, algorithms, powers, roots, etc. It replicates the functionality of a handheld scientific calculator on your phone. Basic operations are addition, subtraction, and multiplication and division. You should include these key features in your app while you are developing the app. Okay, and advanced functions you can implement. Okay, and optional one is dark mode or light mode, like that. In that way you can implement your scientific calculator, right? And fifth one is tic-tac-toe game app, and it is a very much easy app in order to build. Okay, and it is very good app. If you are bored, you can implement this app and you can play this in your phone itself, right? The tic-tac-toe game app is a fun and interactive Android application that lets users play the classic X versus O game. It can be played either in single player mode versus computer or two player mode on the same device. Key features: two player mode and game reset and win tracking and attractive UI. Okay, you can implement these key features in your app. And if you are going to create these fantastic apps in your phone, it will be good for the beginners. Okay, you have very much journey ahead in order to implement many more good projects. Okay, if you want more and more ideas for like this, please put it in comment section. I will make sure I will make a video on it. Okay, thank you. And if you feel this video is informative, please hit a like so that it motivates me to do more and more videos for you. Thank you.